Sometimes we want to open file in Audacity to edit our audio file. We encounter some troubles, and as a result of that, I'm going to show you on how to solve any file open error in Audacity without any stress. Like for instance, this particular file right here, I'm going to drag it into my Audacity right here. So you have something like this. Will not open file, blah 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 blah. You click on OK, and you have these instructions right here, which states that you need to convert it to a supported audio format, such as WAV or AIFF. Okay, so these are the two options that we can convert our audio file into before it can be opened successfully in Audacity. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on Close tab right here, and then I'm going to make use of this particular software right here. This software here is a free software that allow you to convert to any type of file format for Windows PC. For you to download this particular software, you can check the description of this video and get the software download for free. So after you have downloaded and run the setup of the software, go ahead and navigate to audio tab right here. Then from the audio tab here, you want to make sure first thing first you have to drag in your audio file right here. So I'm going to bring out my folder, and I'll make sure I look for the particular audio. This audio here, I will drag it and drop it right here, just like so. So once you drag and drop it right here, then you have to pay proper attention to the file format that was recommended by Audacity. So go ahead and look for the file format right here. So if you cannot find it from the site of homepage right here, click on this arrow here to move to the next one right here. Then here we have another different types of audio file. So by Audacity, we are told to convert to AIFF. So let me quickly reconfirm right here. Bring out my Audacity. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring out this folder right here. So if I drag, then click on OK, then we can either convert to WAV or AIFF, just like so. So I'm going to go back to the software right here. So I'm going to go ahead and convert to AIFF. Once I select AIFF, then come down below right here. But before then, we have to make sure we click on Save To. This will tell us where we want to save the file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this folder right here. So I'm going to click on the folder. I'm going to save it to. So I can decide to save it into my desktop right here. Then select folder. So this file here is going to be exported to my desktop. Finally, I'll come down below right here and make sure I click on Convert right here. Click on Convert, and in a few minutes, it's going to convert the file. Depends on the number of file and the length of the file, just like so. Now it has been successfully converted right here, and we have it here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and minimize the software. Then this is the file right here. Now I will now drag into my Audacity, and just like so, we have the file successfully imported into our Audacity workspace right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to fix file not open in Audacity without any stress. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Audacity software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.